Hi, it's Brittany with Antique Stoves back again. Today we're going to be discussing the features on the Grand Comfort 750 made by Kitchen Queen. Right to the left hand side of the firebox, first step we have the air wash control right here in the front. Right next to that you're going to have your damper control, and right above that you have the thermostat control for the entire stove. To the right hand side of the oven, you have your oven control bypass. Pulling it out allows the flue gases to wrap around the oven, giving an even heat. Another great feature about the 750 is that they have a temperature gauge right on the front of the oven door. You also have a handy dandy glass here, so you're not having to open your door, lose that heat to check your bake time. Inside the 750, it is completely porcelain lined. It has two racks. Both are removable so you can clean easy. And right here on the bottom, you also have a panel that will remove for easy cleaning as well. Another great feature about the Grand Comfort 750 is that it has heat shields on both sides, in the back, and underneath. The 750 has 1/4 inch thick steel top with two removable plates where you can get direct heat. Another great feature is that it has a double reburn system in the firebox. This is giving it an 88% efficiency rating, one of the top on the line. Now let's talk about this firebox. This firebox is one of the largest on the market. It has an amazing burn time at 12 to 16 hours. You can start your fire at night and then you can go to bed and wake up with a fire still burning or even coal still in there. Now this firebox has a double reburn system in it. You can see that, these metal plates to the sides and the back, that's what's going to give it the 88% efficiency rating. It also has standard fire brick that you could pick up locally if anything were to crack, break, easily removable, easily replaceable. The other thing about this is that one of our options on here is that you can also get a coal wood grate. It comes standard with the wood grate, but you can get an option for a shaker grate. So another feature is the warming oven. It comes standard with the shelf on it, but the warming oven is a great feature. If you're a bread maker, you can rise your dough in there, you can put your rolls in there, you want to keep a plate warm for your husband, pop it on in there and you're going to be good to go. You can also get a water coil for inside of the firebox. This is great to heat your domestic hot water. We do have an online book where it will show you how to do so. You hook it up to your domestic hot water tank. It will easily heat your domestic hot water as long as you have a pressurized tank or a pump. Another great option for the Grand Comfort 750 is a 24-gallon stainless steel water reservoir. We also have this option with our 550. It's just a 17-gallon. It rests on the back 2 inches behind your backsplash. So it's like having a very large tea kettle. You're already getting the heat and it's not necessary to use the coil with the reservoir. The 750 has a standard 6-inch flue in the back, right dead center of the stove. Another option for the 750 is a summer grate. You place it inside your firebox and it sets the heat up closer to the cooktop. So during those summer months when it's a little too hot, and you want to just use that cooktop, that's a great way to do it. We do ship these stoves directly from the factory to you. If you have any other questions or want to go ahead and order one, you can reach me, Brittany with Antique Stoves, at 517-767-3606.